Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichiko n'ibintu bigutumika service nabo gase nyumba yaho yani furnitures asiri golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase Chinsa cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabo ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets ejura onjura ne bunu okoganya kwa okole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater nabo ne chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands ejura tumeke asokubeke TV ya obu ya ase Chinsa cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge Chinsa cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato mu rubyo oli papole pole asuwanjiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imbeyo mu cy'obusongo asebara yasunika migori otara ikasenya gitanye lya nyangena boigo ndabogwaka esimi gwetrase kinamba chito echo kire enoti sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enoti sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style comfort and quality meet.
Morogobo mwanchi muri Getembe TV ritukeri ya Jumatatu chitarike 25 mutinyi mutangani kereto atigire matukanoka tuchikokoro mutinyego mutangani umwako yegabwechiri ubere 25 na ndi no kogena kwa nebuna litukori agori abere ritoereru koronde onsi ase otosonjete koro Ekeonga Chinsa ikomenchenga tren Nyaboga magaje echikamera torenere Wilfred Matundra Wilson makori crosense meri ye manyerero nabo ego DJ Atson nero gendeta Neke chibichana Mario ingo ikirashira senchira yo wekranu karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa ikomya senchira yo bweng nchenga tren kwambuka. Ekeonga Chinsa ikomi Jumatatu toko chaka korwase kaunti ya Nyamira ensemo ya Kijori bunge ni yaborabu abu asabatakana korwase binyorro anene mono korwase orogongoru beso kirena gokwanera ama byari babeire bagwetera ase Chinsemo sasti family kiri bakoro anene mono okonererwa na goseriwa korwase Chinsemo echo kakwana negetasi nekega nego motakano happiness nyamuita kurenseme ya Kijori ereire egati yari abere kagwetera nabo igo omona akwaneire omokia bekire asobugima bwaye nakosomya abana baye
chaka muna nebitina kurunyomba lende bakacha bakanseli kurwa uno 2012 no ndege kakijauri nabona atemire mugo gukora chi contract mugondo y'abantu natora no nicha nanyora nkenge n'umuntu n'uyigane rochonsire kananyora nakande school fees na kurire ikanyorekana bononga igikorote kinyamuita bigite yokorubwoya na nche igikorote kinakebekire natwarete a domestic issue ikagera na nche nkarumwane twisinda aruchi ase abantu especially the ladies bali bakonyora challenges kurwa ase chinywomo they should never be discouraged na wonta ete yabo igo ni nanchi de kura example engo kwanera nda bana baisike ninganti kwa kwanera nabate you see nchino muisike na alinge bono muruche muna mali echichigo cha chiaburukana lakini egento gitage chigo in your lifetime ni mirimo ya iri ogokora witira soko soma kwao
you are a very important person.
Na tugosika bose mwanje mweregereria nigo muraiwensi ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto aereire usaborire atebire okugania ngororo gukurigereria na korose kiombe gikurigereria chinchera cyo koreta nabo igo kwene kyo murembe ase orogongo rwa Afrika nabo igo kochora abana chebina ase kigambire kenne kyo mukya ense ya Afrika gose obo muborio wa African Union muraiwensi niga yakwana egani ase geikaro ase nyomba y'obura ya State House na baraibande koro ase Chinsa chorogongo rwa Africa.
I urge you, my esteemed colleagues, to reflect deeply on how we can further fortify our peace and security architecture. One pertinent proposal is to convene a high-level panel of Africans or professionals, perhaps 3 experts, to conduct a comprehensive review of our AU peace and security framework. This panel would also assess the feasibility of implementing the UN Security Council Resolution 2719, which offers a viable pathway for financing AU-led, UN-mandated peace support operations through assessed contributions. Distinguished colleagues, the operationalization of the Court of Justice of the African Union remains a critical priority that must be pursued with renewed vigor. This judicial body is essential in providing a legal mechanism for the resolution of disputes between African states, as well as between the African Union and its various entities. Additionally, the court will serve as a court of appeal of decisions of the African Union Administrative Tribunal, thereby enhancing the credibility and efficacy of our continental legal framework. Although the protocol of the Court of Justice of the African Union came into force in July 2009, its implementation was deferred to facilitate the merger with the African Court on Human and People's Rights and to expand its mandate to include an international crimes chamber. It is now imperative that we move forward decisively in operationalizing this vital institution, and I will be presenting a resolution to the Assembly.
Na kerachi segi na boigo chibura buru che nekirie chabere chikoneke wa sinseri ya Rwanda na ense ya DRC chagere familia chinyinge gusira bamenya na boigo kobeka amagima y'abana n'abasubati asakon nigo bono murayibwensi ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto ojuboigo ore munyakirogo ase kyombekere kya East African Commission gose EAC esokire na kogikeria chibura buru echasobono aborire abarayi bechinse chibero murayibwensi ya Rwanda muske Paul Kagame no yibwenseri ya DRC muske Felix Anthony Tshisekedi bachama na kokora chingwana egokora chibura buru echo na koreta omorembe ase chinse chibere.
The escalating conflict and deteriorating situation in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo are a grave concern to the people and governments of East Africa. I call for the immediate and unconditional cessation of hostilities. I emphasize the obligation of all parties to facilitate humanitarian access to affected populations and urge both sides to pursue peaceful means to resolving this tragic conflict. As the current chair of the East African Community, Kenya is aware of the region's critical responsibility in de-escalating violence and facilitating dialogue between the parties involved. We confirm and firmly believe that a sustainable solution can only be achieved through engagement, constructive dialogue, and a renewed commitment to peace. I call on the parties to the Luanda process on Eastern DRC and appeal specifically to my brothers, President Felix Tshisekedi and President Paul Kagame, both of whom I have had the occasion to speak to this evening, to heed the call for peace from the people of our region and the international community. I call on them to dedicate all efforts towards achieving peace in Eastern DRC and restoring good neighborliness.
Emambiri tukoria rero nigo ekamati y'abantu kyanda abo bachorete n'umurai wensi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto eriko chikochora ba commissioner bekiombe kirigitenirete obochori n'echimbebe kya IEPC batiani wabosyo omulachebina omanene omusubati Martha Koome eye ayani gachire magaye kigambiro gotugutirare ekina kigetiwa se kigambiro no mokenya yomo kwamereria ogochoro kwa kyanda abo kaukona chinga kecho ni gobono musubati Koome ababoli abo kyanda bakore gasi abo ikiranu na boigo kwanjira konde Wednesday gotayo.
I, Koki Muligrinyo, having been appointed as a member of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Selection Panel, do solemnly swear that I will at all times obey, respect, and uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will faithfully and fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability, discharge the trust and perform the functions and exercise the powers devolving upon me by virtue of this appointment, without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, or prejudice. So help me God.
I, Kipkoech Andrew Tanui, having been appointed as a member of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Selection Panel, do solemnly swear that I will at all times obey, respect, and uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will faithfully and fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability, discharge the trust and perform the functions and exercise the powers devolving upon me by virtue of this appointment, without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, or prejudice. So help me God.
I, Nelson Makanda, having been appointed as a member of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Selection Panel, do solemnly swear that I will at all times obey, respect, and uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will faithfully and fully
Togo zigokora nego imambia rero omokonye bo muri wensi ya Kenya omoske Professor Kithure Kindiki akore gikaro na bagavana anene mono bali batenerete ekamiti budget na boigo uchumi gose intergovernmental budget and economic council ensemo ya kareni ase omochio o Nairobi eriko konero okobagwa wechibesa gochia ase county na boigo botumeki wechibesa echo kerechachira ase county.
We also have made some progress on certain other aspects relating to disbursement of funds. I think we still have some outstanding issues around disbursement, and I think the National Treasury Cabinet Secretary will be briefing us on where we are on that one, so that we can again make sure that counties receive the funds they require to be able to carry out their functions. We had anticipated to build some consensus on the county government's additional allocations bill or law. We didn't manage because the parliamentary leadership has been on recess. We were trying to push for a meeting.
Your Excellency, the elements in the room for the governors today really is the County Government's Additional Allocation Act for the year 24-25, which is yet.
Mwancho morige aroboti oruro Abraham Kithure Kindiki na rogo chigotekera omwere we Ekeonga Chinsa ikomi Jumatatu asenchira yo wenge korere ngotenga yo ana mona yanda mange no chiko yanyora so bwekanu Chinsa ibere na Chinsa inye chibotko warero nayo mtokinto neondigi amona inche ase Ekeonga Chinsa chonchen Catherine Nyaboga maiga yechi kamere twarengenere Wilfred Matondra Wilson Makori crosense meri je manyererio na wenga DJ Atsanere ogenda takoneka chibichana malwengo ikirachira senchira yo bwekanu twagusabeire uboligere buya asomorobero kugochira mbyo aseka gitare getambe morobero yogo chikoretwa na DJ Reels morobero o vibes on vibes aneno mono genda kubwatia ase emitanda genda kutubwatia ase emitanda yitege jamii Facebook muna Getembe FM YouTube muna Getembe TV eribonyare kwegokya kwesemya na boiga kwimanya
Nilan Hub.